Steps to fix the handbrake. Warning light issue.
Wala. Sa nato i-release ang handbrake. Wala gyapon. Naka-release na. Gyapon. I-check nyo yung brake fluid reservoir po yung na makikita nyo. Tsaka i-check nyo yung level. Dapat hindi siya mag-below minimum. So, dapat in between maximum at minimum lang siya. Kaya nagkuko siya ng naglalight yung handbrake system nyo dun sa cage. Kung magbabase tayo dun sa owner's manual guide natin, dapat .3 talaga yung i-refill natin na brake fluid. So, bakit .3? Ito po ay glycol-based fluid. Ano po yung glycol-based fluid? Ito po yung nagwo-work with the seals, tsaka brake lines, and the components of our DE63T's hydraulic braking system. Ito po ay less hygroscopic. Ano po yung less hygroscopic? Ito po yung nag-absorb ng less water. So, compared to higher grade fluids like DAT4 and DAT5.1, mas suitable pa rin po yung DAT3 kasi ito yung compatible at saka ito nagmi-meet the required specification for our braking system. So tara check natin kung nag-work ba. Ayun, nawala yung signal oh. Ayan, nag-red light, nawala na yun. Solved. Sana nakatulong. Thank you for watching.